In this video, we will explore the top-rated plugins for PyCharm, the popular Python IDE. These plugins will enhance your coding experience and boost your productivity. Let's dive right in. The first plugin on our list is the Git integration plugin, which provides seamless integration with Git version control. It allows you to easily manage and track changes to your code. Next up is the code completion plugin, which offers intelligent suggestions and auto-completion for your Python code. This helps you write code faster and with fewer errors. Another must-have plugin is the PyTest plugin, which allows you to run unit tests directly from PyCharm. It provides a smooth testing experience and ensures the quality of your code. Last but not least, we have the database plugin, which enables you to connect and interact with databases seamlessly within PyCharm. It offers features like SQL editing and database browsing. These are just a few of the amazing plugins available for PyCharm. Stay tuned to discover more.